sir. It's a Jordan 35 review, on foot performance review. You feel me? I'm in here and we about to show you what it is. So, unboxing first. This is the white box it comes in. Shit. So, XXV 35, oh, XXXV 35, you feel me? So you come in, they got the, y'all be caring about the paper, all sorts of weird shit, so I'm gonna tell y'all it's fucking squares on paper and shit. So you bring it out. It's an Air Jordan 35. Oh yeah, let's say right here. Say right here, it's a Glacier Gray, Laser Crimson. Yeah, that's it. These are the size 12. It says SPTP. I don't know if that means special. Yeah, so this is what Foot Locker had to say about them. The fastest, most responsive game shoe yet. The lighter the shoe, the less weight to carry, the faster players can go. Evolving last year's release, the AJ 35 features a stabilizing Eclipse Plate 2.0, visible cushioning, and new flightwear cables. Lightweight and responsive, is designed to help players get the most from their power and athleticism.
And where did you get them from?
Got them from Foot Locker, Perth, CBD, you know.
Australia.
Yeah, it's in Australia. It dropped today, which is, today is
The 26th.
the 26th of September.
When are they dropping in America?
October, some shit, I don't know, I already got them. Alright, so when you look at it, kind of look like, look at this on you. Kind of looks like the 5 a little bit with the way this is shaped.
Back up.
And the 23 right here. Yeah, so I'm guessing this is the plate they was talking about, the 2.0, some called the Eclipse Plate 2.0. This it right here. Ooh, they got the little glitter or some shit in there, just sparkling like some galaxy shit. So we got that. Got the. This is made out of suede right here, gray suede. This is some type of mesh. Oh no, it's not. I don't know what this is. This is. Hold on. This is a flight wire cables. So the tongue is like the 5s. Same shape as the 5s. It's a lot thinner than the 5s. Got a little bit of cushion in there. You got 84, 83 on here. And then they got 36, 5. Oh, okay. 23, and a little new shit they be doing, I don't know. Got this little shit on the back. See that you liking me, you don't like. The 35s. Alright, we'll pick these up. On the bottom they got some herringbone. They got a zoom in here, you can see from the bottom of the shoe. You got a zoom right here. You can't see it in the video with you, you can see it. You got some type of mesh going on the toe box right here. Same material on the tongue up to here. Where this green thing is. I'm throwing some white laces in these. Then they got some type of metallic. Alright. holographic thing right here. Yeah. Okay. On feet. Time for the on feet. So I got them for 270 Australian. They go for about 190, maybe 180 US when they drop October 17. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I make music. All the music you hear on this is mine. It's a shameless plug, so I guess that's what they be saying in the shit, so I just plugging my own shit in there. If you like to listen to that shit, it would make my day. I'd be so happy. So fucking happy. But yeah, fuck with me. Air Jordan 35. Review. Personally.